This is a very short video on how to use the Rabbet Cutter. So first thing to know is what it's for, what it makes. So when you go to put foam core together, you're going to end up with this edge right here. And it doesn't really lock in, it doesn't look nice, but by cutting out a groove like this, it allows the two pieces to fit together nice and square, and it actually gives it a lot of strength and it looks a lot nicer. So the first thing you need to know is that it has a razor inside of it, and that's how it works. It slides along and cuts it. Notice that the sharp side of the razor is facing the curve, and that's for both sides. The other thing to notice is there's a piece that sticks out here, and then there's a piece that sticks out here. All right, so with that going on, this is your big, and I call it the big because it shows the blade, and then this side is your small, and it's because you can see the blade if you work really hard at it, but it's not truly visible. All right, so here's how we work this. Start with your big and insert the foam core into the groove so it fits perfectly and snug along the bottom. Apply pressure with your thumb like this, not too much, just enough to keep it flat. And when you pass through, you're going to make your first cut. Now, here is the most important component. Remembering that the sharp side is against the curve, you're always pulling towards the curve. So now what happened is this blade made this cut. Let me see if I can angle it so that you can see the cut. It's almost like a mouth here. Now it's not cut on this side at all, only on this side. So the next thing to do in order to cut the groove out is we need to cut just below the paper here, and we're going to leave the top layer of paper and take this whole piece away. Now the way that's done is not by using the big, but now we're going to use the small, which again is this side. Take that cut groove, face it down, and then take your small and put that in. Again, notice the curve, you're pulling towards the curve. And if you have any doubt whether or not you're on the small, you're going to know that because you can actually see the blade for the big. So again, we're pulling towards the curve, and you can see the piece pops right off. And there we have our beautiful groove, which again allows the whole thing to come together, and you're going to have a nice clean corner. And that's it. It's as simple as that. The only thing I could say to remember is you've got two different colors, and don't base anything on that because this is exactly the opposite. So you notice the big is on the gray side, but on this one the big is on the green side. So don't worry about the colors. Always worry about the curve. Always be concerned that you're pulling towards the curve on it. And that's it.